So this morning, beautiful Monday, June 23rd, we're witnessing the magic of the price. We're witnessing the importance of respecting Fibonacci levels. We're witnessing that every single level has very powerful, predetermined sequence. Oil spelled out since overnight markets where the end of the minor trend will be. When we came to the markets this morning, we saw very powerful push to the upside, except oil was powerless to press through this level. I spelled out, we ain't taking short into this level, it's way too late. What did we do? We took long. Very much inception of the trend. Does oil have enough power to continue? That remains to be seen, as we know that 106.44 level is critical for oil to blast through. Very much inception of the trend and very much reminder. Respect reversal zone. Do not ever acquire a trend position in this level. It is very, very late. Know where the end of the minor trend is? Exactly the marvelous dance S&P is doing this morning. All the levels on S&P spelled out since Thursday. Friday S&P blasted through this level entire afternoon, reminding you, if you're a greedy trader trading on Friday, too bad, so sad. This was an ultimate war zone. And guess what? It continues. That's why I ain't touching S&P based on what I trade and what I teach right now. As price is showing me 50-50 buyers and sellers at this level. But again, price doesn't give a about any news on the planet except the volatility factor, as again, since Thursday we knew where this level will be. We know that sellers still domineering this market. It's very, very clear. 4 hours in a row this morning, despite powerful push to the upside that I took advantage of based on the strategy I will be teaching only in the bootcamp, potentially never again outside of the bootcamp, and price is respecting this level highly. And that's it. Pure price is all you need to identify these levels. That's all. Simple and clear. Why in the world anybody would want to trade with indicators? And oil continues struggling at 106.44. As price spelled out that that would be ultimate war zone on oil. So if you know where these levels are, you know not to acquire trend position into reversal zone. And that's why I'm bringing in Fibonacci waves. So I start going with the flow, and I just start sending a couple of screenshots. We're gonna have a waveform just open to everybody, starting as soon as my web designer is ready to go, because I'm so ready. And that's the power of the price, and that's why S&P spelled out where the ultimate destination will be and where the sellers will come from. The fight is on between minor trends, and that's the magic of the price, and that's how I see the price. And when people come and send me emails, are you trading Elliott Wave? I never knew Elliott Wave existed. I developed my own method. I'm extremely proud that I put my own work, sweat and tears into it, and I continue doing so. The only thing I can compare it to from my Elliott Wave students who come from that background is it resembles very simple version. I see price as major trend 5 waves, minor trend 3. That's it. Nothing less, nothing more. There is no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, XYZ, God knows what speculative. Price is precise. And that's what I will be showing in Fibonacci waves, starting as soon as web designer is ready with forum. Clear? Doobie-doobie-doo, S&P. Hour and a half later, after the market open, continues struggling, 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 and sellers picking up the steam to the downside, just like they've done here. So, but we know better. We're seeing very, very clearly that buyers are not out of the woods, and I would like to see what will happen next. It's a 50-50, buyers versus sellers. Who will succeed? And we knew very much where to protect our profits on oil, as 106.44 was ultimate destination where sellers stepped in from. It's only bullish corrections that was not able to break through very important level. This is the levels we're analyzing on euro. Long on euro 15 minutes, price collapsed from reversal zone. Reminding you, if you know where reversal zone is, you should never ever 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 get tempted to acquire position into this level. If you're long from drastically lower levels and you trail carefully. Buying at these levels is gambling. It's essential to respect this level, and it doesn't matter if it's hourly, 4-hourly. Euro found serious selling pressure, and again reminded you where the end of the minor trend is, where buyers picked up this steam with vengeance, once again finding sellers at reversal zone. And that's a puzzle that continues evolving. This is how every single support and resistance is formed in the markets. And it is precise. It is not speculative. And if you apply very important rules to your trading, you can see these levels very, very clearly. That would make a world of difference in your trading. No indicator on the planet will tell you this. All of the levels Euro spelled out since overnight European markets. So if you are taking advantage of long, you trail carefully, completely protecting your profits, enjoying short collapse to the downside. Euro is doing the dance we would like to finally see oil play out. But oil is resisting so. Oil is doing only a correction. Would be marvelous if oil will finally stage reversal. That's what we're waiting for very patiently, and that's what oil had done pre-market, staging very powerful push to the upside for 50 ticks, finding sellers at the end of the minor trend. Just like euro, staged powerful collapse, finding buyers at the end of the minor trend. And that's the magic of the puzzle. Doesn't matter if it's Forex, 15 hourly, monthly, daily, weekly stocks. And that's what I keep working on and developing daily, weekly, and forever. I can't get enough of the price. It's the best puzzle of all. And if you play by the rules, you can solve it easily. But if you don't obey the rules, it's a problem. It's a dilemma you do not want to have. As I spell, it had been truly fascinating dance between minor trends on S&P. Would be marvelous if S&P will finally give us a powerful push to the upside. As the end of the minor trend that been causing so much problem on S&P, third hour in a row, finding buyers every time, had been reached to the tick. So two things happen at this level. Very powerful reversal, continuation of the bullish trend, or worthless fluff, and price will finally blast through to the downside. But the bottom line is you witnessed this morning on S&P fight between minor trends, back and forth, back and forth. As to the upside, the end of the minor trend was respected. Sellers pushed down every time, finding buyers at this level. So we're out of here. It's almost 9:30. Again, the end of the minor trend respected on S&P, where S&P had been struggling immensely. S&P continued dancing at this level, not finding spectacular buying pressure. Don't be surprised if buyers pick up this team. And if you know the rules, take advantage of the rally. Oil giving us only bullish corrections. Doo-be-doo-be-doo. We got one negative trade so far this month. 15 trades, 12 positive. Today I had taken 3 trades, 1 negative trade on oil. Adios everybody. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow.